stop by and take a look at the 2019 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, driver airbag. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.